Hello everybody, Sonic Fan 20 and welcome back to another unboxing. My friends, today I have a special surprise for you. So, I finally got a replacement controller for my Xbox. That's right, I got a wireless controller. So, it doesn't, so the one that I have right now, it's gonna go bye-bye now. Cause it ain't gonna come back anytime soon. Okay, how do I do this? Yep, it's just like when I first got my Xbox 360, it was wireless to begin with, so yeah. It's been like that since day one, so yeah. And you were Sonic Fan, where did you get it? I found it like a game shop. That's not actually a legit game shop. Here it is. Wow, this feels great, dude. Wireless and everything. Right in these double A's, right. Okay, I got my double A's, Energizer Max. I'm about to set this bastard up. Okay, here we go. Oh wait, no. I haven't really used these in a while, so it goes like this. It shows it right here. Imagine about a lot of these. My cousin has an Xbox, and most of the controllers are kind of broken. So okay. It works. Oh, I probably should pair this with my Xbox. Right. About to test drive this bastard, screaming like How to Train Your Dragon all over again. Man, I used to have a black one too. It looks like the same one, but the freaking like this button right here that I pressed. Oh wait, it's not paired yet. I'm just gonna pause it. And here we go. Fascinating condition. Works like a charm. It's just like the one I have. Oh my god, look at the freaking... This is great. Definitely fun that we're gonna end up playing some games again. So it doesn't feel like I just stopped using my Xbox for nothing then. It's great. Alright. Now, okay, time to turn this thing off with my controller. Turn off console, and boom, just like that, the console's off, did it through my controller. Do not even have to leave my seat. Alright, time for the main event. So guys, you remembered like I don't know, like last year maybe, I don't remember, where I tried to get a Sega Genesis, I got scammed, and I got scammed from the Genesis, but I did get Sonic 3 successfully. It just took like so much long, it just took very long. But, my friends, that day has finally come. You're not gonna believe this. Let's just start things off, little by little. We're gonna need this, and my friend, here it is, the Sega Genesis second model. Woo! Wow, it's super small. Okay, I got this from the same store I got the controller. So yeah, here is the controller. It has 6 buttons, like always. And yeah, this is going to be kind of insane. I don't know how we're gonna do this, but we're gonna have to give this a try one way or another. Okay, this is the back. Yeah, it's a wiry mess. Okay, I'm gonna plug this thing in first. It has a longer. I think this cable's long enough to do it. So let's do this. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but I had to plug... okay, the junk is plugged in, safe and secure. We need to bring the Genesis. And if we turn it around, we can see that there is 2 holes. I don't know if you can see that. And I think we get to plug one of these in. I don't know. Wait, am I doing this right? Like... Okay, I plugged it in. Yep, the Genesis is working. I think these are AC adapters, but whatever. Alright. Okay. It's time for the main event. Okay, with the Genesis now installed, now I'm pretty sure what happens next is probably just see if it actually is connected. Wait, hold on. Oh wait. wait, hold on. Oh. That's stupid. Okay, I kind of forgot how this type of thing works. I haven't really set it up a console like in a long time, so I might do a horrible job of this. So I had to plug this to the TV. All I did was power it. Wow, I'm dumb. Okay, now I plug those things in. Let's see what happens. I think this is it. Oh, yo, it's just a gray screen, nothing else. Oh, wait, never mind. Okay, now I have to plug it. Oh, crap. I really hope the controller's long enough. I don't think the controller's long enough. Okay, I just gotta get the things out. I did not think this through. I think the controller might be too small. Let me see how this is. Oh, shoot, that might not be enough. Hold on. We'll see here. We have the Genesis that is right here. Let's see, that's the controller one. It's a battery in there. Has the Sega logo on it. That's awesome. Let's go look for this thing first. Okay, not far. It does not go far. What the hell is that? Wow. Okay. Oh, they do have L buttons. I didn't notice it. No, it's too far away. We're going to have to rethink this. I got an idea. Hold on. Okay, this might not be a good one, but I really gotta not move this chair one bit. Oh, okay, this feels a bit dangerous. I probably should just move it a little bit. Hold on. Okay, so I moved I put a chair right in front. So, Ron, I am about to put the Sonic 3 cartridge in that I bought a few days ago. Oh, it's supposed to do that. Okay. Wait. Oh. It works! It works! Yes! Okay, the quality is not great. Okay, the quality is not great, but it works. Oh my god, I can't believe it's actually happening. Oh my god. I'm playing Sonic 3 on my flat screen TV. Yo, the quality is so bad, but it works. Oh, this is great! I thought the Sonic 3 I got was fake, but no. It legit works. Let's begin. my gosh. Knuckles. Oh my god. How awesome can this get? I got the speed. Blue sphere, here we go. Dang it! I was so close too. God diggity damn it. I done messed up. Hot damn. Wait. Left, right, up, down, down. First start? Oh, no. I thought I got the level select, but no, that's not how that works. That's in Sonic 3 and Knuckles. Bam, 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 come on, boo. Bonus stage. Oh crap. Fire shield. Yodeling. I got fire shield by a guy. Good thing Sonic 3 has the save feature, or else I've been screwed. I'm gonna have to start back to Act 1. But Sonic 2 and Sonic 1 and 2 don't have that because that wasn't a thing yet. But Sonic 3 went above and beyond with this. Perfect! Yes! I got the second emerald! Your boy killing it out here! Woo! Damn. Your boy has went above and beyond with this crap. Hey, Shane, you remember when you commented my video this evening was a legit copy? It is, my boy! It is! It's a legit copy, my guy. It's lit. Woo! Electric shield, go! Can't wait to get super. Get him! Destroyed! Bam, 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 bam. Woo! Let's go. Second emerald. Oh, we're picking up speed, boys. We got that speed life. Here comes the perfect. Later. That's the second emerald, my guy. We beast. Oh, they almost got like a second life there. Holy. Holy. Alright. I just used B for the. Oh crap! I got it. We 10 lives, my guy. That was so dumb. Wait. Oh wait, Tails can't fly me in this. Right, I forgot. Electric shield. Woo! Button. Springo. Oh, Tails. Ah! Oh, is it C? Where is it? I don't think Tails can fly me. I think it's a 2-player only thing. Oh crap! Oh wait, I literally just did that. What am I doing? I already just did that. Wow! Oh yo, did the game lag there? Holy crap! Tails, my boy, come on, man. You gotta do my blah blah blah. Oh well, I guess we gotta go zoom. Zoom. Watch this. Got it. Wait a minute, we missed one. Oh. There we go. That's what I wanted. Oh god. Woo! That's a 3rd emerald, my guy. We got the blue one. The blue one. Two lives? Jesus. 2 lives. Oh my gosh. Bruh, this game about to be a breeze. Sonic 3 standalone is kind of my favorite. Look, hey, it's my opinion, okay? Chillax. Make your opinions in the comments. I know everybody's saying Sonic 3 and K is better, but personally, I like this one. I like it when the game ends with big arms, basically. That's all I gotta say. Enough said. Yay! Yeah. What is that? Do you hear that, bruh? It sounds so weird. Just keep holding right. No, for real, I can feel the vibrations on my chair. Yo, for real, I can feel the vibrations on my chair. It's Robotnik! Get him, Tails! God damn it, Tails! Let's go! Alright, I can't use Tails, right. That's a disappointment. You can only use it in co-op. That's stupid. Bro, this is about to be a breeze! Knuckles! Woo! wait, now I want to try something. Now, if I turn the game off and then turn it back on, will it save? It has the save feature. Remember. What? It doesn't save. What? The junk doesn't save. Okay. That is disappointment. That is just disappointment. I did not even press anything. So, wait, hold on. I thought Sony Free had the freaking save feature. Hold on, where's my phone? I like you can just pause in the cutscenes. Okay, now I'm gonna reset and see what happens. It doesn't save. Bro, I thought it would save. I got it. I got into Hydro City. What the freak? Alright, whatever. Alrighty, boys, I'm gonna call it here. I wanna say thank you for watching. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe. And remember, stay Speedy Blue. Have a good day. Bye.